Hi friends, happy Color Snack Sunday. I wanted to show a really quick tutorial of how to use oil pastels with watercolors. I like that they resist the watercolors, so the shapes that come through can look really cool up against watercolor. So I'm just kind of sketching little hearts here. It is of course inspired by Valentine's Day. I'm just making little hearts everywhere on this piece of paper. So if you can see them a little bit, the shadows, because it's in white, I know it's kind of hard to see. But next I'm grabbing this super wide water brush pen, and I'm gonna start adding some fun and vibrant colors. So I'm using this Opera Pink by Daniel Smith. It's one of my favorite colors ever. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this lavender and lilac, also colors from Daniel Smith. So you see how these little hearts almost like come to life as soon as you add a bit of watercolor to them. Super fun effect. You could, use decorate a whole sketchbook spread with this technique. And it's just super fun and relaxing. The shapes don't have to be difficult. They can just be simple hearts, circles, whatever. I mean, why wouldn't you make hearts? But I understand it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I just love that hearts represent love to me, so any kind of love I'm down for. I'm a fan, huge fan of love. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry for a second. I've let this dry, and as one last thing that I wanted to show you is, just wanted to add like little, actually I'm gonna switch to a different brush pen so that I have a little bit more control. But I'm using this lavender color, and I'm adding little shadows to these hearts just to like add another element of fun and whimsy to these. It also makes these hearts pop even more. So there you have it, fun little hearts for your Sunday. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you end up trying it. Have a great and creative day. Alright, as a fun little bonus, I wanted to also add a little bit of gold to these hearts. So I'm using the Gansai Tambi gold watercolors. I love them. They're so fun to use. So let's see, and I'm gonna go over my shadows using this gold. Alright, so now we have a little bit of fun sparkle to it. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great and creative day.